Alright, ladies and gentlemen, good morning everybody. Here's an explanation video about exercise 36. And 36, the question is that the wheels of Matthias' bicycle have a diameter of 68 centimeters. And question A is, how many meters has he cycled when his wheel has gone round once? Give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. Alright, so what we need to do. First, I always start with a kind of a sketch. So this is the wheel of Matthias, where is the diameter of 68 centimeters. And to calculate the circumference, we need to do, so circumference, we need to do pi times 68, because then we know the length from the wheel of Matthias. Answer in centimeters is 213,628 etc. centimeters, because they gave you the question how many meters has he cycled when the wheel go round once. So we need to convert the centimeters in meters, so it's exactly the same as 2,14 meters, because we need to round at 2 decimal places. Yeah, so that's exercise A. Exercise B. To get to school, Matthias cycles 1500 meters. How many times does the wheel go around on the bicycle? Right. So 1500, and we know that the length of the wheel, so the circumference, was rounded to 14 meters. So 1500 divided by the 2,14 meters is rounded 702 times that the wheel will turn around. Yeah. If you want to get the exact answer, then you need to do 1500 divided by 2,1362 etc. Yeah, so you can leave that answer in your calculator, but then you even get rounded 702 times. Sometimes it's one more or one less than this answer, but here you get the same answer, 702 times. Again, how can you put this one in your calculator? First, you need to do pi times 68 is, and if we just divide it immediately, just going to erase this part. So pi times 68, or better, pi times 0,68, because then it's meters, then you get 2,136 etc. in your screen. Then you do 1500 and divide with A and S, that button. Yeah, do not fill this one on your test. Yeah, so it's just what you need to put in your calculator, but I do not want to see on the test 1500 divided with ends. Yeah. But then you get the same answer 702 times. Alright, so that's exercise B. Then exercise C. There, they just say in this bike's manual, Matthias read the following information. It is recommended to oil the ball bearings of the bicycle regularly. A rule of the thumb, in Dutch, the vuistregel, is to do this every 500,000 rotations. Alright, so not one rotation, but 500,000 rotations. After how many kilometers does Matthias need to oil his bicycle? Alright, so we already know that if we rotate my wheel once, that we got approximately 2,14 meters. Yeah, exactly was it 2,136 etc. meters. Let me just use that number. So the number in our screen, 2,136 etc. meters and multiplying this number by 500,000. Yeah, because that will be the total meters. And in my screen I will find the answer 1,068,141,502, etc. Yeah, but they give the question after how many kilometers. So this is in meters, so we need to convert it in kilometers. So we need to move the comma 3 places to the right. And you get 1068, 141,502 kilometers. And they didn't ask you to round it at any decimal places. So this is just the correct answer. If you just want to round in whole numbers, in natural numbers, it's correct, or 1 decimal place, but they didn't ask you to round it. So this is the exact answer. If you work with 2,14, for example, then you get another answer than 1068, because 2,14 is a rounded number, and if you go on with a rounded number, then the correct answer, the exactly answer, will be further away from of that answer. What you have in your screen will be further away than the correct answer. Yeah, so please try to calculate with the not rounded number. So that's one of the reasons that you need to use sometimes that A and S button on your screen, on your calculator. Alright, so that was exercise 36. So good luck with the rest of the exercises.